The life expectancy is 80.87 years, the literacy rate is 98.1%, the GDP per capita is 22,590.16, the HDI is 0.891.
Based on the pyramid, South Korea is more developed. The middle ages group is fairly high, which we can predict that the younger children and elderly population will grow in future years, evening out the pyramid. Based on the indicators, South Korea is more developed. The life expectancy is fairly high, considering the life expectancy is a fairly high number considering the U.S. has a life expectancy of 78.84. The literacy rate is high with the U.S. at 99%. The GDP per capita is fairly high, showing that each person is getting a fairly good amount of money. The HDI is stating that the human development is at a higher rate.
Most people are living in Seoul or around Seoul, which is their capital. This is where their largest metropolis is. The Han River, Chuncheon River, and the Paro Lake are in this area, providing water sources for people. The area also contains more of the flatter land. South Korean Lee Won-koo has called to resign his role as Prime Minister. Still, Park Geun-hye will have to accept the resignation before Lee quits his role. But Park thinks that this decision is regrettable. Lee Won-koo made his decision after South Korean tycoon Sungwon-yong was found hanging from a tree in Seoul on April 9th. Lee, along with 7 other politicians, are under investigation after this apparent suicide that left a note with names and cash amounts given to top officials and others who work for Lee Won-koo. South Korea came into existence after World War II in 1945 because of the agreement that was made by the Allies at the Potsdam Conference, creating the 38th parallel, which is the boundary between North and South Korea. The boundary split the Korean peninsula in half.
South Korea has a Republican government. The president is now Park Geun-hye. She was the 11th president and first female president of South Korea. She has been president since 2013. The president is in the Saenuri Party. The main political parties are the Saenuri Party, the New Politics Alliance for Democracy, the Unified Progressive Party, and the Justice Party.
The dominant political parties are the Saenuri and the Alliance for Democracy. The Saenuri Party was formed in 1997 as the New Korea Party and the Democracy Party combined because the New Korea Party was about to disperse due to the fact that they did not have enough seats filled to be recognized as an official political party. The Alliance for Democracy, formerly known as the Democratic Party, was founded on March 26, 2014 because the Democratic Party and the New Political Vision Party combined. Basically, the Democratic Party split in half and formed with the New Korean Party to make the Saenuri Party, and also formed with the New Political Vision Party to make the Alliance for Democracy. The first picture is kimchi, which is the main dish in South Korea that is made of fermented spicy cabbage. The second picture is krolte, which is a popular dessert in South Korea. And it is made of honey, maltose, and nut filling. The third picture is seulkong, which is a savory snack in South Korea that is made of shrimp and salt. South Koreans celebrate Christmas, which is a Christian holiday, New Year's Day, which is a national holiday, Seollal Day holiday, which is a traditional South Korean holiday, Children's Day, which is a national holiday and celebrated on May 5th, which is Cinco de Mayo, Mid-Autumn Festival, which is a harvest festival, and many more. An interesting custom here is that they do not cross their chopsticks when putting them on the chopstick rest. They also are not supposed to eat with their hands and are supposed to separate their fruit with a toothpick. Although these customs might seem weird, they do have proper etiquette by sending a thank you letter the following day after being invited to a dinner. Baseball, speed skating, Korean wrestling, taekwondo, golf, and bullfighting are all some sports and activities that South Koreans enjoy.
As far as religion goes, 25 to 30% of people in South Korea are Christian, about 70% are Buddhist, and the rest are either varied or unspecified. Buddhists sometimes pay respects to the statue of Buddha, but and is a peaceful religion, but they do not have a god.
South Korea is in the Korean peninsula and borders the Sea of Japan, which is in the northeast, the Yellow Sea, which is in the southwest, and the East China Sea, which is in the southeast. Some rivers you will find here are the Hangang and the Nakdong. There are also some mountains here, but most are under 3,300 feet.
There are two climates in South Korea, humid subtropical and humid continental. The humid subtropical has hot, usually humid summers and mild to cool winters. The precipitation varies from 100 inches near the coast to 25 inches inland. The humid continental has warm to hot, often humid summers and sometimes severely cold winters. The annual precipitation total range from 20 to 50 inches.
Now for the vegetation. South Korea has many forests. The forests you will see are the deciduous and the mixed deciduous and coniferous forests. The deciduous forest leaves change color in autumn, and in the winter they fall off. The mixed forests have the same characteristics as deciduous, but have warm summers and cool winters with adequate rainfall.